Assalamualaikum and very good morning to my supervisor, T.S. Dr. Muhammad Ashlizan bin Razik, and to my examiner, T.S. Razman Hafifi bin Ridwan. Today, I would like to present my final year project, which is the barriers to implement halal logistics at small and medium-sized enterprise in Bandar Penawa. Introduction. Nowadays, based on the Department of Statistics Malaysia, SMEs for the food and beverage sector in Malaysia grew from RM66.4 billion in 2015 increased to RM82.8 billion in 2017. Objective: to investigate the relationship between the high cost and barriers to implement halal logistics at SMEs in Bandar Penawa. Second, to measure the relationship between lack of training and barriers to implement halal logistics at SMEs in Bandar Penawa. Last, to examine the relationship between government intervention and barriers to implement halal logistics at SMEs in Bandar Penawa. Material and method. In this part, for the research design, the researcher used the quantitative study, and for the data collection, the researcher used the questionnaire. In this study, for the questionnaire, the researcher used the Google form to distribute the questionnaire. It is more easier and to maintain the SOP for the COVID-19. The researcher used three methods, which is first, descriptive analysis, second, reliability test, and third is Pearson correlation. Descriptive analysis is to examine the mean to all the independent IV and the dependent variable DV. For the reliability test, is to see the validity and reliability for the question in the questionnaire. Is to make sure all the respondents understand about the question in the questionnaire. For the Pearson correlation, is to examine the relationship between the IV and DV. In this research, the population is 100 SMEs in Kejora. Sample size based on the Carjisen and Morgan, 84 SMEs. For the result, first, gender. Male is 26.2%, female is 73.8%. Age, 18 until 40. Age, 47.6%. SMEs, small, 47.6%. For the education, bachelor degree, 63.1%. FNB, 57.1%. And for the race, Malay is 92.9%. Summary of mean and standard deviation. First, IV1, high cost. Mean is 4.6548. Training, IV2, 4.7262. Government intervention, IV3, 4.6161. For the DV, barriers to implement halal logistics, so the mean is 4.778. So from that, the means the respondents are totally agree and strongly agree about the statement. Summary for the reliability test, all is accepted because above the 0.8. Table 3, summary of correlation analysis, which is use the Pearson correlation. First, hypothesis 1, significant value is 0.00, which is P is less than 0.05, so it accepts. For the correlation value is 0.693 is moderate positive correlation from the Pearson correlation. H2 significant value 0.00 is mean acceptance because P is less than 0.05. For the correlation 0.730, so high positive correlation between the training and the barriers to implement halal logistics in Bandar Penawa. H3, hypothesis 3, 0.00 for the significant value. So, its mean acceptance because P is less than 0.05. So, correlation value 0.536 is mean moderate positive correlation between the government intervention and the barriers to implement halal logistics at SMES in Bandar Penawa. So, for the conclusion, the goals of this study was to identify the barriers to implement halal logistics among SMES in Bandar Penawa. Acknowledgement. I would like to start off by thanking Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, the most graceful, and to my supervisor, examiner, family, and my friends. Thank you.